Hey, content creators. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about all things tech and creativity. In today's video, we're diving into the best AI tools for content creation in 2025. Whether you're a writer, video editor, or graphic designer, AI is revolutionizing the game, making content creation faster, smarter, and more efficient. Let's explore the top tools that are leading the way. Let's kick things off with AI writing tools, which have made a huge leap in 2025. These tools not only help with grammar and spelling, but can generate entire articles, blogs, and scripts with ease. 1. OpenAI's ChatGPT-5. This tool is a powerhouse for content writers. It understands complex prompts, writes in multiple styles, and even adapts to specific tone and brand voice. Whether you need blog posts, social media captions, or SEO-driven content, ChatGPT-5 has got you covered. 2. Grammarly AI 2025. The new version of Grammarly goes beyond fixing grammar. It now suggests better sentence structures, improves readability, and offers real-time collaboration features for teams. Next, let's talk about video content. In 2025, AI-powered video editing tools are game changers for creators who want professional-looking videos without spending hours in front of a screen. 1. Runway Gen 4. Runway Gen 4 is an incredible AI tool that automates the entire video editing process. From trimming to color correction and even adding special effects, this tool does it all. The best part? It can edit videos based on text commands, saving you tons of time. 2. Pictory.ai. Pictory helps transform your scripts into high-quality video content. It's ideal for creators who need to turn blogs or articles into engaging videos with AI-powered visuals and transitions. Designing stunning visuals is easier than ever with AI in 2025. These tools are perfect for social media posts, thumbnails, and even full-on branding projects. 1. Canva AI 2025. Canva's new AI features have made it even more user-friendly. It now suggests templates based on your content, automatically resizes designs for different platforms, and can even generate custom graphics using AI-generated art. 2. DALL-E 3. DALL-E 3 is perfect for creators who need custom images. You can generate stunning, original artwork just by describing what you want in text form. This is amazing for everything from social media posts to website banners. Let's not forget about the backbone of content creation, SEO. With AI tools, strategizing your content for maximum reach is more intuitive than ever. 1. Surfer SEO AI. This tool takes SEO optimization to the next level. It analyzes top-ranking pages and generates content outlines that are perfectly optimized for search engines. It's perfect for anyone who wants their blog or website to rank higher in Google searches. 2. Frase.io. Frase helps you create SEO-driven content that answers user intent. It helps optimize your articles based on keywords, provides insights on what's trending, and gives you the data you need to stay ahead in the content game. Lastly, if you're creating podcasts or voiceovers, AI tools for audio content are a must. Here are a few that are leading the pack in 2025. 1. Descript AI. Descript is a powerful tool for editing audio and video. In 2025, its AI-powered transcription and audio editing features are faster and more accurate. You can remove filler words, clean up audio, and even generate voiceovers using its AI-generated voices. 2. Speechify 2025. Speechify helps convert written content into high-quality, natural-sounding voiceovers. Its AI voices are incredibly lifelike, and it offers various accents and styles, perfect for podcasts, audiobooks, or even YouTube narrations. And that's a wrap on the best AI tools for content creation in 2025. These tools are designed to save you time, boost creativity, and help you produce professional quality content, whether you're a solo creator or part of a large team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content on the latest tech and tools for creators. Drop a comment below if you have a favorite AI tool that you use.